First of all, go to File and choose Open. Here select this image and hit Open. Now take lasso tool and select the watermark like this. Cool. Now go to Select, Color Range. Here change the option from Sample Colors to Highlights. Press OK. Again go to Select, Modify and select Expand. Here set the expand by to 10 pixels and press OK. Now go to Edit, Fill, set the Content Aware option and press OK. Deselect the selection. Now the time to see the final result. Let's continue the same process on other images.